Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to place for honest beauty reviews with a touch of real talk. If you're a fan of precision and a sleek design in your tools, then you're in the right spot today. Let's talk about the FHI Heat Classic Cobalt Blender Scissors. These are a classic pair of scissors designed for precision haircutting, blending, and texturizing. They're made with high-quality steel blades and stainless steel handles, bringing professional-grade performance right into your hands. First, let's talk about the construction. The FHI Heat Classic Cobalt Blender Scissors are made with cobalt-infused steel blades. This is a solid choice for any hair professional or beauty enthusiast, as it gives the blades a sharpness that lasts longer, making them great for detailed cutting. Whether you're cutting hair at home or in a salon, these scissors glide through hair without tugging or pulling, which means a smoother, faster cutting process with less stress on your wrists. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed to ensure comfort during use. I love that the handles feel sturdy, but not overly heavy. This helps if you're cutting for extended periods. No cramping or fatigue, just smooth, effortless use. The weight is just right at 0.32 pounds, offering a balance between control and ease. In terms of performance, I put these scissors to the test with different hair textures, everything from thick, curly hair to finer strands, and they held up beautifully. The fine tips are great for precision, which makes them ideal for cutting layers or texturing without leaving behind those chunky, uneven cuts that can happen with less sharp tools. Even though they're marketed as blending scissors, I found they did a wonderful job with both cutting and shaping. Now, I will say that these scissors may not be for someone who's just looking for an everyday pair of shears. The blade quality and performance justify the price tag, but if you're not working with hair regularly or doing precision cutting, there are alternatives out there that might be more budget-friendly. I definitely see the value for money here. These scissors are built to last and can take a lot of wear without compromising their sharpness. Plus, they offer superior performance compared to many other mid-range shears, thanks to that cobalt infusion. The durability alone, especially with regular maintenance, ensures that they'll last a long time. If you're considering alternatives, there are a few budget-friendly brands like the Sparsh or Utopia series, which also offer stainless steel shears, but lack the advanced cobalt steel technology for longer-lasting sharpness. If you're serious about getting the best, though, the FHI Heat Classic Cobalt Blender Scissors are worth it. As far as build quality goes, these scissors are rock solid. No flimsy parts or cheap plastic to worry about. The steel construction makes them feel professional grade, and the ergonomic design ensures that even after multiple uses, you'll still get that comfortable grip. I've not had direct interaction with the brand's customer service, but FHI Heat has a solid reputation in the beauty industry for high-end, reliable tools. So I'm confident that if anything ever goes wrong, you'd be well taken care of. In terms of performance over time, these scissors continue to perform consistently well. The steel stays sharp with proper care, so it's definitely a long-term investment for anyone who needs a reliable pair of blending scissors. To wrap this up, the FHI Heat Classic Cobalt Blender Scissors are an excellent choice for anyone serious about their hair tools. They offer precision, comfort, and longevity that justify their price. If you're a stylist or someone who regularly cuts and blends hair, these will be a fantastic addition to your toolkit. If this review helped you out, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you don't miss future reviews. Because here at Beautyistic, we're all about keeping it real. Thanks for watching, and if you've used these scissors before, drop a comment below to share your experience. And hey, if you're considering getting them, you can find the link to purchase in the description box. Stay beautiful inside and out, and I'll catch you in the next one.